Are you an entrepreneur, freelancer, or a startup founder who want to grow their business on LinkedIn and win high ticket clients? Then you are not alone. Because LinkedIn is the professional networking platform with over 1 billion people from over 200 countries, and millions of clients are waiting for your products or services. Now, if you want to get high ticket clients on LinkedIn, but you don't know how you can get those high ticket clients, want to learn how you can use social selling, content marketing, and sales navigator to get high ticket clients. You don't know that how you can use different techniques and strategies without spending hours on LinkedIn, or spending those tons of money on hiring expensive agencies or those expensive consultants. If you want to the answer to all of these questions, then you are at the right place and you need to enroll for our LinkedIn Masterclass. Now, this LinkedIn Masterclass is a 6 weeks comprehensive program where we are going to share with you all the strategies and techniques to help you grow your personal brand on LinkedIn, grow your business on LinkedIn, and also will help you to win high ticket clients on LinkedIn. Now, in this 6 weeks comprehensive program, we are going to help you learn everything starting from the profile optimization, and then you will learn that how you can network with people, how you can actually connect with people, how you can create content, how you can use AI tools to create content, those ChatGPT, Bing AI, in order to, and other AI tools, Canva, and all the different tools in order to create content, in order to attract your audience, in order to attract those potential clients. And finally, we will also teach you that how you can use Sales Navigator to win those clients. You will be provided different templates, resources. Also, you will be part of the community in order to help you grow on LinkedIn, build your personal brand, build your business brand, and win those high ticket clients. Why you need to join my LinkedIn Masterclass? I have personally trained more than 2,000 freelancers and entrepreneurs and helped them grow on LinkedIn, grow their businesses on LinkedIn, and help them to win high ticket clients. Along with that, I have also a Udemy course which has over 13,000 students, and they have learned how they can grow on LinkedIn and win clients on LinkedIn. So you do not need to miss this great opportunity in order to learn from my experience how I have helped different clients and entrepreneurs and businesses in order to grow on LinkedIn. Also, I have worked with different founders, freelancers, and different agencies and businesses in order to grow their businesses and win high ticket clients on LinkedIn. So do not miss this opportunity and just grab your slot, because we have only limited slots available for this batch. So click on the link and enroll for this masterclass. Thank you.